In this video, we're going to show you how to access a folder that you don't have permission for on Windows 11. Right. So for example, if you have a folder that you can't access because you don't have permission, it's usually going to be system folders, but we are going to use a random folder that I use. For example, this one, right? So right click on this and then click show more options. So this will allow you to see the standard right click options on Windows 11 that you see on previous older versions. And what you want to do is click on properties here. So here you're going to see the general sharing, security, previous versions, customized, and so on and so forth with this folder. And what you want to do is click on security on the tab here. And after security, you would want to click on edit. And on edit, you want to click add and then just type in everyone. And then click OK. So it's going to add, and then you have to make sure that everyone is highlighted and then click add. Actually, no, click everyone and then just make sure to click on allow full control and then click on apply. And then as you can see, it's fixing it. There you go, and it's done. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.